guys, so you saw our RAMUNE challenge video. So
now we're gonna do the Asian snack challenge video. We're gonna try some different Asian snacks, treats. One of the snacks she can't eat.
I can't eat
because it's got shrimp in it.
Yeah, I'm allergic to shrimp.
So I'll only be trying that one. So let's get started. First up, strawberry puff. Strawberry puff.
I want to try the chocolate one so badly now. Wait.
Can I open it?
I know it's true. Those scissors so good.
Whoa. So weird. They got weird smell.
Oh my god.
They smell weird.
What do?
This is what they look like.
Like a little puff.
It's a puff. Let's see. Let's try it.
Right.
It tastes good. It's hard to eat because of my braces.
What?
It's hard to eat bite into because of my braces, but it tastes good.
Yeah.
It's good.
I don't know what's why it's not saying. I like the inner part of it, but I don't like the outside crunch.
It tastes like egg. It tastes like egg. I'm gonna try to close this, but it won't close on itself. Okay, that back in here. Now we also got chocolate puff.
Which I've been dying to try.
So let's open this and get started.
They're brown.
Ooh,
They look
those look.
like little turds. Look. It's like poop on it. And no poop. I mean,
It's
chocolate.
not.
No, I mean,
Don't compare anything to poop. Jeez, you in the poop session, okay?
Yeah.
Here's the
I just like some
puff.
Yeah, the chocolate.
This one tastes good. The outside tastes like a fortune cookie. This one. Now you get to announce this one. Or something like that. Yeah.
It's muscat or whatever I pronounce it. But it's basically just
We're
grapes.
probably butchering the name again, but muscat gummy candy.
Yeah, it's like grapes. It's like grapes and America.
I'm gonna open this upside down because all this stuff is right there. And it's gluten free, so she can have it. Oh, they're in separate packages. See, they're in
Muscat gummy candy. That's so weird. It's like a pink. It looks like a green blob.
jelly candy. Blob. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2.
Ew.
I like it. It tastes better as you chew it.
What?
It tastes better as you chew it.
No, it does. So as it does say in the name, muscat, it's musty on the outside. But as you can, if you chew into it, it just becomes more flavorful, not musty. Musty, whatever it is. Musty.
Yeah, it tastes better as you chew it.
Yeah.
At first, it's like, what the heck does that taste? It tastes weird, but then it tastes tastes better after. So I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try this.
Another collagen.
Shrimp chips. Probably child proof for opening. Don't open them. Use the scissors to open them. Ooh, wow. It smells like fish food.
Oh God, that does not smell good. It smells like fish food. Yeah, sorry.
Oh, it tastes better than it smells.
I'm not gonna taste it.
It tastes way better than it smells. It does taste like shrimp. So it tastes really good. That is good. We got Pocky. We usually try the or they have a dark chocolate pocky, so this is milk chocolate.
Semi-sweet. Is it
Semi-sweet dark chocolate one.
Yeah.
I'm not much of a fan of dark chocolate, so. I don't know why it smells that. It just smells like a box.
Yeah, this one actually smells like Hershey's. It smells like Hershey's chocolate.
It does.
Oh, yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is way better than dark chocolate.
Yeah. Or semi-sweet.
It tastes just like a Hershey's chocolate bar. Hold on, I gotta go down.
What else did we get?
What about these? And the RAMUNE candy.
Oh, we tried this already. It's Botan rice candy.
Yeah, we tried in the car just to make sure, you know, because one of the wrapper is edible.
Yeah.
Not the outer wrapper, like this part, but
I'm not having one of those again.
I like them. It's like a orange lemon flavor. See, the second wrapper, it's right here, is made out of rice paper, so it's edible. So, at first, it's weird because it's if you ever had a rice paper type thing, you know what it's like because the texture is weird, but it's good.
This is the last thing, right?
Last thing
that we have is the RAMUNE candy. So,
and what happens? I've had these before. I don't think she's had one before, but what happens is when you put them in your mouth, they fizz. They're like fizzing in your mouth.
Yeah, I think so.
I'm trying to eat this.
Hardest braces on. It looks like a bleached tablet or something. Doesn't even look like candy.
It's better than that. No.
I liked it.
Yeah. You can go ahead and taste it. Trying to finish this.
Oh god,
I'm starting to mess my mouth up and it's hard to chew with braces. Having a lot of problems with chewing things because of these stupid things. Why are you staring at me?
I don't know, I'm text. I tried in case you guys are wondering what I'm twitching about.
Yeah.
I'm touching.
Don't worry about her twitching. Look, these are good. RAMUNE candles are always good.
So.
Alright, so that's the end of this short video, but all the stuff we tasted was good.
Yep.
Pretty good. So, yeah.
That's fun. Bye.
Bye.